Join me as I try to bring thrown objects to life in Unreal Engine and see if I can create some seriously scary jump scares. Let's get started. First, create a blueprint class. Let's select Actor, call it Bookshelf. Now go inside and create a static mesh. I'm adding a bookshelf of ready-made models. Let's add a collision box and position it in front of the bookshelf. Let's create another static mesh, call it Book. This will be the object we will throw from the bookshelf. We select a single book mesh. Now move on to the event graph. If we right-click while box collision is selected, the relevant functions will appear. Select on component, begin overlap. Select do once right after it. Let's take the book. In order for the book to fall, we need to set simulate physics true. Now we need to apply a force to the book. Select add force. We need to move the book on the y-axis. Therefore, we set 200 on the y-axis. Finally, we add a sound effect. Play sound at location. We set the location of the actor we are in as location. We select the sound effect. Now, let's add the bookshelf to the scene. Let's try it out. Yes, it looks good. Now let's decorate it a little. You can increase the number of books. Let's connect all the books we want to throw to the relevant nodes in the event graph. You can add more detail and more sound effect. If you're finding value in these videos, hit that subscribe button and drop a like if you love the content, and ring the bell to stay updated. See you in the restaurant at the end of the universe.